Okay, so we're live. Welcome you guys for our stand-up, the Pacific Rim US one. Here today with me, it's Vijaya. So let us start with you, Vijaya.
Yeah, I'm working on pagination things in Java. I finished actually the pagination and the job the Seeker model revisit. I finished all the instance method. I'm testing. I got some errors. I have to fix those ones. I did not put the, I think, access level calling the job seeker function into the agency person model, the self wherever we are calling the role base, getting the error. And job seeker assigned a without a job developer. I finished that ticket. I have to create the PR for that one. If it is getting this ticket late, I will create the PR that one. Then I will work on this one. Okay, one more pagination thing is job seeker without case manager is there. I will take care of that one also.
Okay, so you said you are doing now the 284, and you'll create the PR for that.
No,
That's
not
the
the 317 is ready for create the
okay,
PR.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, and the
284, I'm getting some errors.
284 getting some errors. Okay.
Yeah.
If you want, I have like 5 minutes afterward. Just
Okay.
we can look into it. Okay, so any blocker?
No blockers.
Okay. So me, nothing more. I believe during the weekend I didn't too much. Oh yeah, I corrected. I did something else on the one of the tasks that I have, and I started creating this week's meeting agenda for chat, and that's it for me. Okay. So Vijay, do you want to
Yeah.
share our screen so we can take a look at what's happening there? Okay.
This is the agency person model. Here is the problem. Here is the I removed self before I put it self. This is the another method in the job seeker. They are calling here. They're calling here.
Mm-hmm. And
Then
the what? Oops, so sorry, I forgot to put you presenting. Okay. So if you had you had the self was there and it was working or it wasn't working.
it was not working if I put the self also here.
Okay. So can you show me that function?
Yeah.
The with app.
Just I will run and will check. Then I'll show you. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you show
This
me that
is
method?
yeah. This is in job seeker.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's a problem
Yeah.
because can you show me what are you trying to do there?
I'm calling this function here. I think before here also self.
You
This.
cannot. No.
Okay. I'm debugging and I stopped it.
Okay, so basically what's happening there is that you're calling a function from a different model on
Mhm.
model, so you can't do that. So you have
Okay.
two options there. You can call it directly on the job developer.
Mm-hmm.
So what you have there, so for example, for the job seeker, that's the job seeker, right?
Yeah.
And it has with AP in role, whatever, with agency person in role. Why is this in the oh, okay, so this function will return a list of all the job seekers
Mm-hmm.
that all the job seekers that are in a specific role for a specific person. Okay.
Okay.
Can you show me the agency person?
Yeah.
Okay, so in the job seeker, you need to, if you go to the job seeker, as you can see, if you look at the function, that's an instance function. So
Yeah.
object instance function. That cannot be an instance function. Why? Because we need that to be a class function because it will return a list
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
users.
Yeah.
So that function needs to be a self dot with. Okay, so that's good. Now in agency person, as that is a class function, we need to call it to the class, on the class itself. And self is not the correct class. The correct class there, it's job seeker, right? Because
Yeah.
you're calling the function.
Yeah.
You're calling the function with app in role on the job seeker class. So there should be job seeker dot. Do you understand what's happening here?
Yeah.
No, that's not correct. So we
We
created
have
a
to call.
you
Okay.
created a function that is a class function
Okay.
on the job seeker. So
Yeah.
now you need to call that function on the class.
Mm-hmm. We have
So
to
there
class that
where
that
you have
function. We write it directly.
yeah, a capital J,
Yeah.
OB, capital S, seeker. So you need to call it yes. That's it. In that way, you will call on the class job seeker the
Mm-hmm.
function with AP in role. The
Okay.
same thing on the next function.
Yeah.
You also need to do on the next function. So that should be working. So let's take a look and see what happens. Okay, undefined for
Undefined method for.
agency person. Can you restart your server just in case something is there that shouldn't be?
The same error is.
Can you go back to your code? So you save the job seeker, right?
Yeah.
Can you go back to the job seeker? And go back to the agency person. Job seeker. Job seeker. following what the problem is there. That's a job seeker. Oh, another thing. That the way the function is structured,
Mm-hmm.
it should be a class function as well, right? Because it receives a job seeker. There. The job seekers as job developers should be class functions there, right?
Where?
That function. So that
Here?
function, yeah,
We have to write self.
yeah. So
Then it is working. If we write the instance method, it's not.
mm. So if you refresh that,
I have to change you also. This one, then it's working. I have to some other change. If I want to put the class method, yeah, everything is working.
can you refresh? So if you're putting the
Yeah, I have to change somewhere else in the, I think, controller also. And you, I have some change, do the changes.
I really don't understand what's happening there. So do you want to call that as a class function or as a method?
Yeah,
Oh,
before
then it
the,
says
we have
method.
a class function,
So that need to be changed uh,
instance.
into an instance. So you need to remove that, and you will not receive the job seeker anymore, the job developer there.
Mm-hmm.
And where you have the job developer, you're going to pass self in.
Mm-hmm.
So on line 57, yep. For now, just leave it there because you'll get an error if you remove that. And if you go to
Okay.
line 60,
Okay.
you have job developer there, and you
Yeah.
need to pass self. Oh, and define method where. Okay. So because in order to do that, you need to call that on an agency person on the class.
Okay.
Or the where needs to
Okay.
be called on the class agency person. So in the beginning, agency person dot where. Undefined for agency person. Where's that? The models, agency person, and we have the where's. Okay, those functions were not there, right?
Yeah,
Right.
this one.
So this is agency person, agency person. Those are new functions, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Before those functions in job seeker model, and
can you
I
change
moved.
agency person for self? It doesn't make much sense, but
Where?
instead of agency person, put self.
Self dot. Where?
Yeah. Can you show me how you are calling that on the controller? On the agency people controller, or I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's open there, right?
This is the.
Okay, so that no. So we need to call that function on the agency person object. So at agency underscore person. Dot. Okay. So just save that and refresh.
We don't need to know.
Yeah. Maybe you don't have a where there. Right. Makes sense. Yeah. So let me check. There's something. So where was that function that you are moving now? That function was in job seeker?
Yeah, job seeker.
What was the name of the function?
Your job seeker.
Your job seekers JD?
Yeah.
You're an agency person. Find agency person. It's an active record. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this need to be changed here. So we are moving the
Functions from agency model to job seeker model to agency model.
okay, so this need to be done in a different way.
Okay.
So this is doing this, and it's retrieving all the job seeker IDs with a specific. So just let's do it like this. Let's call the function. Work. Oh, okay, I'm a little bit lost here. So we're trying to piggyback from here, but maybe we cannot do this directly. It's not just a simple copy and paste here,
Yeah.
because that's not enough. So we need to piggyback on the relationships.
Mm-hmm.
So what we need to do is also this function agency person and role. So we want our, right? So okay, can you try to do just this? Just this. This thing will return. So we currently in the instead
Agency.
of getting the IDs,
Mm-hmm.
this is doing aware, and it's including the job seeker status and the job applications. So we need to move this around in order to be able to solve this. So we don't need to plug the IDs, I think. I just need to. If we do this, let's try it with a simple. Let me. So not able to see it. Okay, so try it with just this, something like similar to that.
This one agency roles dot
Yeah,
in row.
yeah. Just comment everything that you have there, and just use the function that the code that I sent you.
Okay.
Okay, so. Mm.
I have to comment everything and
Yes. No, you need to comment everything.
okay.
Just can't you paste there?
Yeah.
Just copy from the job seeker. It's the same function from the job seeker. The function with app in role. If you go to the
Okay.
job seeker
Yeah.
model, job seeker model, right there. Okay. The function with, yeah, copy just the first two lines without the point. Okay, without. Okay. Copy and paste it on the other side. You're missing the A, the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Just save that and see what. Oh, well, sorry. No, it's not enough. Instead of agency person here, you need to put self on the right side. The right side, right. No. Agency person underneath on the right side, where you have your mouse on the right. Right,
Here.
the other
Here.
right, the other right.
Here.
There, yeah.
Okay.
Self. Okay, save it and instead of role key, you need to put comment JD. Instead of role underscore key. Instead of that, just you need to put comma JD. Capital D. Okay, save that and refresh the page to see if it shows. What?
It is showing only commented thing.
Okay, that's just more than I can handle. You need to restart your server. So basically, I believe what you need to do is
Okay.
instead of using this function as it is, the with app in role, I think you need to remove the pluck,
Okay.
and then you need to add more or less the same thing there. So you need, I want you to try this function, this, and like this. Wait. Ah, sorry. Yes, I want you to try this function. I can select this. Apparently not. Yeah. this function here. And this. So this function, the with app enroll, I need to leave, okay? But
Yeah.
in the function with app enroll, try to have this code instead of what you have now.
Okay.
This is the self version. I think you need to change that, and then you can call directly just with app enroll, and it should be fine. Just the code that you have in the line 60, the job seeker dot with app enroll JD self. That's what you need to call in the function that you're looking at. Okay.
Okay.
I'll be around tomorrow. If you need something, I can just talk to me, and I'll try to reply to you if you have any problem. Okay. So
Okay. Thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Bye. Bye.